Welcome to NC Live's Accessible Library Event Flyers video short. Are your library's digital flyers welcoming to everyone? The purpose of this video is to show how easy it is to create accessible flyers using a popular design tool like Canva. Here are some things to consider when making your design. A high contrast ratio is essential for users with low vision or color blindness. Use an online contrast checker and aim for a contrast ratio of 4 to 5 to 1 or better. Print in color and in black and white to check your design. The most important information should be front and center. Lay out key details, event name, date, time, location in a clear hierarchy. Avoid text that's rotated or placed on a chaotic background. And when sharing your design over email or social media, write out essential information in addition to sharing the flyer. Consider font choice and size. Not all fonts are created equal. A simple sans serif font like Arial or Helvetica is usually best for readability. Make sure your text is visible by using large, legible fonts, especially when the information is important. Here is an example of how to create an accessible flyer in Canva.